Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video with me today. Hey guys, how you guys doing? I'm here again guys with another reaction video to the legend panels. Thanks to the one who recommended react to these videos. I really do appreciate it. And like I said before, I do have a friend who watched the legend panels, and so one or few times he would send me snippets to these videos. And then someone here who commented and recommended me to react to the Janet Jackson, the legend panel Janet Jackson on Cardi B, Madonna, Aretha Franklin, and Nicki Minaj. I love me some shady Janet. I love it. And parodies. This is a legend panel, not parodies videos. Legend channel. I do like the legend channels. This is Mac TV, parodies, all the ones who do these dub voiceover. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Keep doing what you guys do. Hilarious. I'm here for it. Shady Janet.
Bitch, these are disc jokes.
Get your life. Come on, Prince.
Hi, I'm Janet Jackson, and my team couldn't think of a better way for me to promote my new single, Made for Now. So here I am recording ASMR videos like I'm not the baddest bitch in popular music. Lights, somebody get me fired.
Hey.
I'm just kidding. Actually, my team wanted me to perform at the MTV Video Music Awards, but if you saw that hot garbage warmed over, you'll know why I turned it down. Mariah Ariana, on stage singing about her prepubescent snatch being so good.
Oh, that wasn't the Grammys?
God is a woman while holding her mother and her grandmother's hand. Ooh, child, the trailer park. You know the show is on life support when they are forced to give my former backup dancer, who didn't make it past That's the Way Love Goes. Girl, for real.
The shade.
I fired that ass real quick.
The shade.
You know the show is trash when they give J-Lo, of all people, the Michael Jackson Vanguard Award in hopes of getting a halfway decent performance. Can you say snooze fest? They should have given the award to my good sis Missy Elliott anyway. It's not like she wasn't ready. She even shaved the cha-cha.
Before you come, I need to shave my
Cha.
You hear that sound? That's the sound of my ex-husband's bank account after I secured the bag. $500,000, bitch. And I'm doing the tapping because his bank account is all tapped out now. Okay. I like dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunting, I like shining. I like $billion deals with my pen, bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the one that looks like socks. I like going to the jeweler, I put rocks all in my watch. I like that song. And speaking of Cardi, Nicki sis, what are you going through? No, seriously, why are you so pressed?
Press.
It, girl? Well, get over it. Let go and let God. I don't know why you're so pressed, stressed, and distressed. Kim is still the queen of rap at the end of the day. Beehive all day, bitch. And as my good sis Mariah said on the Legends panel, Karma is a bitch and Shade is her sister.
back to the Billboard Hot 100 #1 song which you just performed, which is difficult to get. Not everybody has that.
Girl, bye. And you're supposed to be the queen. Bitch, you didn't get the memo. Bitch, is King Kong? Yes, I'm King Kong. This is King Kong. Yes, Miss King Kong. In my kingdom with my Tim's on. Bitch, I think the fuck not. Real queens stay humble, deal with difficult situations, and find a way to overcome them no matter what. Like for instance, being thrown under the bus by a coward, blacklisted in the music industry, and the powers that be attempted to erase your contributions to music, even though you drafted the blueprint for these lessers, and
Janet.
but I digress. The point is, I didn't complain, go crazy, or try to bring down the next bitch. I stayed focused, kept working, married a billionaire, secured the bag, get money, and now I'm back, topping the iTunes chart with my new single Made for Now, selling out stadiums and arenas, headlining numerous festivals, and ready to make beautiful hand-stitched drapes with all of your scalps.
What did you think of Madonna?
I'm sorry, who? Girl, denied. The next time Metamucil asks to pay tribute to one of our black luminaries, could someone please tell her?
Absolutely fucking not.
My dream was to make it as a professional dancer. I got cut and rejected from every audition. Not tall enough.
I may be only 5'4", but when I stand on my Hermes wallet, I'm 6'9", bitch. Get on my level.
Not blend in enough.
What the fuck is blend in enough? I know you haven't had a hit in a while, but do you work for MAC Cosmetics or something?
Not 12-octave range enough.
I admit, I'm no Whitney Houston, but I also don't sound like a dying cat after being hit by a car. So I see why you weren't enough there, sis.
Not pretty enough.
Well, the shade writes itself.
Not enough.
Alright, enough with these enoughs, girl.
Let me go back.
You weren't enough to
Let me
pay
go
tribute
back.
to one of our greatest black.
Let me go back.
From every audition.
Let me go back.
Not tall enough.
I may be only 5'4", but when I stand on my Hermes wallet, I'm 6'9".
Yes. Get money.
Not blend in enough.
What the fuck is blend in enough? I know you haven't had a hit in a while, but do you work for
Oh, I need some water.
Not 12-octave range enough.
I admit, I'm no Whitney Houston, but I also don't sound like a dying cat after being hit by a car. So I see why you weren't enough there, sis.
Not pretty enough.
Well, hey, the shade writes itself.
Not enough.
Alright, enough with these enoughs, girl. And yep, you weren't enough to pay tribute to one of our greatest black musical pioneers. Standing on stage serving the stalest culturally appropriated mix of a gypsy and Pocahontas.
When was this?
By the way,
And Madonna took it too?
and she wants her clothes back, bitch.
Ooh. Get money.
That means I'm not doing this anymore.
Janet, we're not done yet.
Yes, the fuck we are. And next time you even think about contacting me, you better level up. I am way too legendary to be doing something so basic. Driver, could you go get the car?
Oh my god, I cannot with Shady Janet. That was a legend panel. Janet Jackson on Cardi B, on Aretha Franklin and Nicki Minaj. That was so shady, so shady. Thanks to the one who recommended me to these videos. I can't with Shady Janet. I can't with Shady Janet. When they said I was ugly, that bitch said, the shade writes itself. Whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. I'll get to it as soon as possible, I swear. As always, who can do you besides you? Stay shady. Bye.